Since I started coding, I've always sucked at making good buttons, but today I will change that. Let's start by creating a new pen in CodePen. Our HTML will have a button and a div inside it with an ID of circle. In the CSS, the button will be styled normally to be like this. And to achieve the click effect, we need to give the button an overflow of hidden. So now for the circle, it will have a black background and a 0 in the height and width, and it will be circled with the border radius properties set to 50%, and it will have a fixed position. This centering technique is used here to make the cursor centered within the circle. This JavaScript code selects a button and a circle element. When the button is clicked, it moves the circle to the click position, animates it briefly, and resets the animation. Now, this button also sucks. Subscribe.